Hi guys. In my other video, I forgot to show you how to make start and stop points in Adobe Premiere Pro. You're telling the program where to start recording and where to stop recording. Like for instance, I want to start recording where I sit down on the bench before I start talking, like right here. Now, I'm going to chop it, so grab our razor blade again and cut it, and then we'll select our arrow tool, select the frame we want to delete, and hit the delete key, and just drag it to the beginning of the frame. Drag this back to the beginning, and now it's ready. And this is the start. You push I on the keyboard. That's telling it where to start recording from. And at the end, I want to make it stop right where I get off. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to back it up just a little bit. About right there. And now I'll hit O, the letter O on your keyboard. And that's it. That's all you have to do to make start and stop points. Then at that point you would go to File, and then Export, and then Media, or Control M. And then you would hit Export if you have all this set already. And that's it. That's how you do it. And I already did the other video on how to key out the green screen. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Subscribe, hit that like button, and see you on the next upload.